So I want to thank the brand for sending over this beautiful American flag for me to try out and to share with you all. I'm going to say this is a 100% cotton flag, so you want to keep that in mind. Probably a big feature that I want to point out right from the beginning, because as a US citizen, I know that this is a big thing to a lot of people. This flag is not made in the United States. So if that is extremely important to you, you're going to need to keep that in mind. I will point out it does have a lot of great features. It feels really durable in my hands. And let me just show you a little bit of close-up. If you are looking to hang this on a flagpole, I want to assure you that there are weather-resistant brass grommets at both corners of the flag, so you can certainly hang it up on a flagpole. This is more meant for both indoor and outdoor use. The stitching on it feels really solid. I'll show you on both sides. When I am thinking about how this is going to hold up in weather, I want to remind you that it is 100% cotton. I have not washed this, but I do know that most 100% cotton fabrics are washable. However, I probably, if I was going to put it in my washing machine, I would put it in cold water and I would use a dye catcher in case any of the dye bleeds. Now, again, I haven't washed it, but that's just would be one of my recommendations. If we look at each of the stars, I want to show you both sides. Those are actually embroidered on. There's nothing about this that is per se stamped on. These are actually embroidered stars. Then if we look at each of the stripes, nothing about this is just printed fabric. This is actually individual pieces that's all sewn together. I will tell you, it feels really durable to me. The texture is somewhat like a canvas, so it's not just like a lightweight cotton. This is what the ends look like. If you can see, there are 4 layers of stitching here, and this part looks really durable. So if you're looking for an American flag, we are celebrating 250 years this year. It's a great time to pick up a new one. This is one to check out.